So Google Ads campaign is one of the most effective ways to find customers online. And the key to running a successful campaign is to find the right keywords. Now, there are many ways to do that. One of the best ways is to use the Google, what they call a keyword planner tool. And that is free, that comes with the ad campaign account. In this guide, I'll teach you the following. Number one, how to find that keyword planner tool within the account. Number two, how to start with an initial list of keywords and also understand the key stats on those keywords. Things like top of the page, bid, pricing, monthly search volume, those kind of things. And then, I'll show you the ways to refine the keyword list down to a short list that you can start running the campaign with. And then last but not least, how to download it into a spreadsheet such as Excel or Google Sheets. So let's get started.